Sabawy, who is here with the mission for you, sir. Yeah.
Assalamu alaikum. Majority of you know me, but for the people who don't know me, my name is Sheref Sabawy. I'm the MPP for Sabawy area Mills. I am from Egyptian origin, so I know that some of the people here might wonder why, like, if I'm understanding anything of that. I don't speak Urdu, of course, but I speak Arabic, and I can follow about 80% of what you said.
Oh my God.
Okay. And I read the Quran. During my study, I came to here when I was about 28 years, like after graduation and marriage. So I grown up in Egypt. I finished my university in Egypt. I finished my education in Egypt. So I read the whole Quran. I know a lot of the hadith and seerah and the whole thing. I know that from my education. So I would like to take this opportunity to congratulate you for the Mawlid al-Nabawi. It was like 2-3 days ago. I did greet some of you. I'm not sure all of you in my database, but some got my greetings. And I'm very happy to see Mr. Aneeq Ahmed here, because with all the different movements now in the whole world, we need people who secular, who can speak about the religion and project to the new modern age we are living in. And also, it's very important for our generation, second generations, who are easily can be attracted to different movements because you don't have the knowledge, you don't have the background. It's very important to have the people, the voices, who can be a symbol for that new generation, who can explain their religion in the right way and can spotlights in the bright side and bright spots of the religion and history as well, because the religion and the history goes hand in hand. So I'm very happy to welcome you in Mississauga, and I'm very glad that you addressed the community here, because the Pakistani community in the Sapura or Egyptian community in the Sapura is important extension of their motherlands. Like the Egyptians will stay Egyptians, the Pakistani will stay Pakistani, the Indians will stay Indians. So it's important to continue and extend those bridges with their motherlands and keep them feeling that they are part of their community. So thank you very much for coming all the way, and I'm glad I can see the engagement is very high.
Thank you very much. I remain. I'm honored. I'm really grateful to all of you. And what this gentleman just said, we are here to resolve the issues of Ummah, Islam and the contemporary issues. I just said Islam is a modern religion and we have all solutions of today's problems. So we have to resolve it. This is the religious responsibility on us. We are representing Islam. We are representing Islam through our knowledge and through our character. Right? So I'm very happy. So thank you very much.